In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free business website with HubSpot. First things first, you'll need to log in or sign up for HubSpot. If you're already a HubSpot user, simply use your existing credentials to log in. If not, signing up is a breeze. Just head over to their website and follow the simple registration process. This platform is user-friendly and aims to get you up and running with minimal hassle. Next, let's get acquainted with HubSpot's CMS Hub. HubSpot's content management system is where all the magic happens. It provides you with all the tools you need to build and manage your website efficiently. Take some time to explore the CMS Hub, get to know its various features, and see how you can leverage them to suit your needs. Once you've familiarized yourself with the CMS Hub, it's time to get started with the exciting part, creating your website. Click on the Create Website button to begin. HubSpot will then guide you through the initial steps of setting up your site. Now, you'll have the option to choose a theme or template for your website. HubSpot offers a wide variety of both free and premium themes in their marketplace. Alternatively, if you want complete control over the site's look, you can start with a blank template. Browse through the available options and pick one that reflects your brand's style and message. After selecting your theme, the next step is customizing your website's design. HubSpot's drag-and-drop editor makes this process incredibly simple. You can tailor the theme, insert your own content, and adjust the layout to align with your brand's aesthetics and functionality without needing any coding skills. With the design in place, it's time to create key pages for your website. Typically, every business website should have a homepage, an About Us page, a contact page, and any other specific pages that your business needs. Think about the information you want to communicate on each page and start building from there. Once your pages are laid out, it's important to implement lead capture tools. Integrate forms, calls to action, and other elements that will help capture visitors' information and build your audience. HubSpot makes it easy to add these elements and customize them according to your requirements. Another critical factor to consider is optimizing your site for SEO and user experience. Make sure your website is mobile-friendly, loads quickly, and is easy to navigate. Attention to these details will not only improve the user experience, but also boost your visibility in search engine results. To make your website live, connect it to your own custom domain. This step is essential for establishing your brand's online presence. Before hitting publish, test and preview your website on different devices and browsers. This ensures that everything is working as expected and looks good across platforms. Finally, once you're satisfied with how your website looks and functions, it's time to launch. Hit publish and let the world see your new site. Keep track of its performance using HubSpot's analytics tools. Monitoring your website's data is key to understanding your audience and making informed decisions moving forward.